Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. So currently, right now, okay, we're not gonna mind audio at the moment, but let's cut the audio at the beginning. It's 9 p.m. currently. It's 9 p.m. I don't know if you can see that, but this is a really old recording device. Old recording device in a new thing, in an iPhone. That's pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool stuff. Old recording device in an iPhone. That's pretty cool stuff. I don't know how long it will have been. It's been, a minute 12 seconds, but here in video it's 20 seconds now. Which now, audio is now at 20 seconds, which was at 26 seconds video. Alrighty, cool. Let's stop it right there.